this assessment asks us to give the alkene and alcohol reaction partners that would come together to form this ether. Now, as I've noted, the ether is connected by both secondary carbons, which means that there are two ways we can do this reaction. We can start with the alkene of this bottom reaction partner and react it with this alcohol, or we can use the alkene of the top reaction partner and react with this alcohol. Let's see how we might do that. We'll start with this alkene. We know that in order to get an alcohol to attack, and we're not really going to go into the mechanism here, but to get the alcohol to attack at this carbon, we need to generate a positive charge. So we'll do that by reacting with sulfuric acid and that alcohol itself. That's going to make this carbocation. That carbocation can now be attacked. This will be the only mechanistic arrow I show. Can now be attacked by this alcohol after we lose a proton. We now have this product. How could we flip it? Well, basically we can do the same thing. Instead, start with this alkene. Once again, react it with sulfuric acid. The alcohol we're going to use now will be the other alcohol partner. So this one here. When this alkene is protonated, we make this carbocation. Now this alcohol can attack that carbocation. Once again, after it loses a proton, we would have made this same compound. So two different ways to make the same compound using alkene addition reactions.